Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've got something different for you today, and this is what I do during the week. And I'm not at the garage, as you can see. I'm at the golf course, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting up a sign, and I've got my brother here giving me a hand. Well, that's it done, and it wasn't too bad a job, although it was quite windy and it was wet earlier on. I was slipping off the ladders, and I hope you've enjoyed that, a wee insight as to what I do during the week. So as usual, if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, and we'll see you soon, but in the garage of Dad.
Right, said Fred, both of us together, one each end and steady as you go. Tried to shift it, couldn't even lift it, we was getting nowhere, and so we had a cup of tea, and right, said Fred, give a shout for Charlie, up comes Charlie from the floor below. After straining, heaving and complaining, we was getting nowhere, and so we had a cup of tea. Through all right, said Fred, climbing up a ladder with his crowbar, gave a mighty blow. I was seeing trouble, half a ton of rumble landed on the